Hi people, welcome to my channel dedicated to the fascinating world of data science. On this channel, we delve into various data science topics. I've already created a playlist specifically focused on statistics. It covers essential statistical concepts that serve as the foundation for understanding data analysis. Now, I am excited to announce the launch of a new playlist database management system, which is DBMS. Learning DBMS is essential for anyone venturing into world of data science. Here's why in simple words. DBMS or database management system is the backbone of managing and organizing data effectively. By learning DBMS, you gain the ability to store, retrieve, and manipulate large data sets efficiently. DBMS allows you to structure data, perform complex queries, and ensure data integrity. Each video in the playlist focuses on specific concept, breaking it down into simple, digestible explanation. We kick off with an introduction to DBMS, discussing its significance in data landscape. From there, we delve into key topics such as data models, where we explore relational, hierarchical, and other models that structure data. Next, we dive into the core of DBMS, database design, learn about the entity relationship modeling, normalization technique, and art of creating efficient, scalable databases. Of course, no DBMS journey is complete without discussing SQL, which is structured query language. Discover the power of SQL queries, data manipulation, and data integrity. Lastly, we touch upon advanced concepts like transactional management, indexing, and performance optimization, empowering you to fine-tune your database operations. Whether you are a beginner, college student, or looking deep in your understanding, this playlist is designed to cater to all levels of expertise. Get ready to enhance your data skills, elevate your career prospects, and unlock new opportunities in the data-driven world. Here are common DBMS challenges and their solutions explained in simple words. Data security, protecting data from unauthorized access. Solution is strong authentication and encryption. Data integrity, ensuring accurate and reliable data. Solution is data validation and quality checks. Performance optimization, improving database speed and efficiency. Solution is indexing and query optimization. Scalability, handling data growth and increased workload. Solution is database partitioning and distributed architectures. Backup and recovery, safeguarding data and recovering from failures. Solution is regular backups and disaster recovery plans. Database maintenance, ensuring smooth operation and performance. Solution is routine maintenance tasks and monitoring. Addressing these challenges ensures secure, reliable, and efficient database management. Let's demystify some common DBMS jargon. First is database, structured collection of data organized and stored for easy access and management. Table, a fundamental component of a database that stores data in rows, which is records, and columns, which is attributes. Query, a request for data retrieval or manipulation from database using SQL structured query language. Schema, the structure and organization of a database, defining tables, relationship, and constraint. By demystifying these database jargon terms, you will have a better understanding of the core concepts and principles of database management. We will learn these in deep in further videos. Thank you for watching. Please like my video if it is helpful and subscribe my channel Dan is Nerd Gang for video related to data science.